Hey ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back. Today, we are going to resole this pair of Thorogood Moc Toe boots. Now guys, why do we keep resoling this pair? Now we've done several pairs like this in the past, and the reason I enjoy doing it, and the reason so many of you guys enjoy these videos, is because this pair of boots is an absolute workhorse. This is the pair of boots that you see across the country on a lot of what I would consider, I don't know, blue collar jobs. Those guys that are down out there getting the job done day in and day out. And these things are extremely comfortable, and it is a very popular boot. Well, this pair has been sent in to us, and we are going to give them an overhaul and make them look 100% better before sending them back. So without further ado, let's go. Okay, I have the sole off. Now, just a quick reminders, because I know there's a lot of folks that have not watched our other videos, so I'm just going to give a quick rundown on this pair of Thorogoods. Now, it does have cork in there. A lot of that obviously came out when the sole came off. It does have a fiberglass shank, which we will put back on the boot before we resole it. Now, the thing about Thorogood boots that are a little different from Red Wing is that Thorogood uses a rubber welt. Now, I'm not a big fan of rubber welts, as I personally think it makes it a lot harder to resole the boot in the long run. And what I normally do with a lot of rubber welts is I usually just take them off, replace them with leather welts when they come in, and that way it's going to allow that user to have their boots resoled down in the future over and over again. Again, rubber welts, again, just make it really hard to resole. So, just letting you know. Okay, it's about time to get the new welts on this pair of boots, put new cork in those. But before I do, hey guys, remember, Father's Day is right around the corner. And if you have not got anything for yourself, for your dad, for that man in your life, then hey, make sure you check out today's video sponsor, which is Anson Belts. Guys, Anson is a holeless micro-adjustable belt system. And basically what you do is every time you slide your belt in, it is built on a track system. And those little tracks are only 1/4 inch apart, giving yourself a much better fit with your belt. And also, Anson is a one size fits all. Basically what you do, you wrap the belt around you, you find out where it fits you best, you cut off the excess, you put on the buckle, you latch it down, bam, you're good to go. No more ugly creases and no more sloppy punched holes. Now, one of the things that I also really like about Anson belts is the interchangeability of them, which means that you can mix and match both the straps and the buckles. And they have a lot of different options. So for example, some of the straps that you can get are leather, suede, canvas. And then for the buckles, they always have a lot of different styles and colors to choose from. Now, another thing that Anson offers is a high-end premier collection. Now, what that means is they feature genuine crocodile as well as Italian calfskin. Now, those are a little more expensive, but they're very reasonably priced for being true crocodile as well as true Italian calfskin. Both of those made in the USA. Now guys, Anson belts also have a lifetime guarantee. They also have amazing customer service, and it is also a family-owned business just like ours. Now, I know one of the owners personally. He's a fantastic guy, and I'm telling you guys, a great company. Now, Anson is always having great deals, so if you're not signed up already, make sure you sign up for their text club as well as their email list. Now guys, for a limited offer, click on the special link down in the description box or go to ansonbelt.com/Trent for an amazing discount. Now, I personally recommend getting the box of 2 straps and 3 buckles, which give you a possibility of 6 belt combinations. And guys, you get all of that for under $100.
All right guys, it's time to stitch on some new leather welts, upgrading from the rubber welts that came from Thorogood from the factory. We also went ahead and stained them that orange-ish color that came along with them. So Let's do it. All right, guys. Another thing about these welts we're putting on is that it's going to be a storm welt. Not all welts are made the same, so you'll be able to see with this little lip here that goes around, provides a little extra water resistance, keeps out all that muck that might get in there if you're really the outdoorsy type. So that's why we're doing it. All right, time to stick that fiberglass shank back in.
I'm not sure if any of you guys notice, especially the ones that watch a lot of our videos, but hey, there's something back today. It's been gone for a while. Old Mount Bluvius is back, so it's good to have it. Okay, we're almost done. Now look, this is the midsole on here. It's the smooth part of the leather. Obviously we want the fibers of that leather to adhere to the glue or vice versa. So we're gonna shave this part off, get it nice and roughed up. Then we get the glue, the sole, then we're done. All right, this resole is just about complete. Last thing I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna take this edger and we'll run along here just to take this really sharp edge off of the welt. It'll give a nice clean look. And then that's pretty much it. I'm not gonna do anything to these uppers because, hey, surprise, we actually have somebody that has sent their boots in and actually took care of them. These things are nice and clean. They're well hydrated. The leather's in great shape. So I'm just gonna continue to let the owner of these do what he's doing, keep on keeping on, and they look great. So take this edge off and we're done. Okay, this pair of Thorogood Moc Toe boots is done. Now, quick reminder, guys, Father's Day, again, like I mentioned earlier, is coming up right around the corner. So a couple of things. Check out southernpolish.com. That is another one of our businesses where we are making made in the USA men's leather flip-flops. They're awesome. They're made extremely well. All of the materials, the manufacturing, everything right here in the USA. Check us out, southernpolish.com. Also, as I mentioned earlier, Anson belts. Check them out. There is a discount down in the description box. They're awesome belts. We own quite a few of them. They're great. Check them out. Okay guys, what did we do to this pair of Thorogood boots? Now, like I said earlier, Thorogoods are just, man, I see them all over the place. Anytime I'm out and about and I see construction guys or I see plumbers, welders, whatever, Thorogoods just seem to be the boot that a lot of those guys have on. And this one was just another pair. We get so many of them sent to us for resoles, and I just wanted to do another pair for you guys because you must like them because those videos usually do really well. So again, this one, the only thing that I'm not a big fan of, and I spoke about this earlier, I'm just not a big fan of the rubber welts that Thorogood puts on their boots. The uppers, I mean, they're super soft. When they come out of the box, basically already broken in, they feel great. But the rubber welts, they just do not resole well. So we usually take those off, replace them with leather welts, and that's what we did on this one. And that's going to allow for a lot more resoles in the future. We also recorked them. We put on new wedge soles. These came from Vibram. The ones that Thorogood has, they have their own made, and they do last a long time. But these Vibram ones, that's what we put on there. And this guy, like I said before, he took care of his boots. The uppers are in great shape. I didn't really even have to do anything to them. They were clean, they were conditioned. All I did was blow them off, get all the dust off, and bam, the boot looks great. And these are ready to be sent back to him, and back to the work site he goes. So anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed it, and as always, if you would, please give us a big thumbs up if you have stuck around to this part of the video. Also, subscribe to the channel and send this video out to others. Share it, tell others about our channel. Helps our channel to grow. So anyways, guys, that's it. And until next time, y'all have a good one.